how to add a photo gallery in Wix. Alright, so after you signed into your website, you go to your home page up here, your menu, and you're going to click on that and then click Manage Pages. You'll get this screen coming up, this menu, and it's simple. All you have to do is click Add Page, and then there it is. And I'm going to type in Gallery. If it's all capitalized, you should do it that way, Gallery. Just like that, click Done. Now it'll take you to that page automatically. You should be already on there, but if you're on any other page, contact or anything else, and you create a page, it'll take you straight to that page for gallery. Alright, once I'm there, it's a blank canvas. Click the plus symbol, click Add, Gallery, and then you can choose the gallery that you like. I stay away from any of these and any of these little 3D ones and all these stuff. You want to keep it nice and simple, so I'm going to choose a postcard slider. Okay, and make sure you stay within these lines, these dashed lines. That's your grid. Expand it there like that, and there's my gallery. I'm going to change my images. Okay, when you click on it, whatever gallery you choose should have change images. I'm going to delete the ones that are there because it gives you temporary ones for placement. Now I'm going to add my own gallery. So let's just say I'm adding a gallery of photos. I can select a bunch of different ones like this. Okay, and you could just select as many as you want. So whatever I asked you to turn in, you can click them this way, but you have to upload them from your Google Drive. Okay, from your Google Drive, download the images from your Google Drive, then upload them from your hard drive, and then you can add your photos. And there we go. Click Done. Now I have my photo gallery. If I go to Preview, if you don't like your photos coming out like this, then you got to actually choose a different gallery. And you can do that by going back here. You can actually delete. If you don't like it, try another gallery. Say you want something that shows more pictures, like more in squares, like a little preview, you can do this one instead. It doesn't take much. You just have to go in and delete everything. And you can actually spread this across if you like, or put it in the guides. I mean, it doesn't matter if it goes off the guides in this one, because you're going to have pictures inside the grid. There we go. I'm going to manage media. That's the same thing as the previous menu. I'm going to delete all of these. See, a little bit more to delete on this one. I'll delete them all. Alright, add media, image. And then I'm going to click the pictures that I want in there. Right, as long as I'm clicking on the arrow. Okay. Click on all these. Click Add to Page. There they are. Click Done. And that's a better gallery. Okay. And you can change it if you want. You don't like that, you do another one. But at least you have a gallery. This is where you're going to put all your pictures. Because the pictures I asked for you on your blog, that I ask you to post, you may have different ones that you want to show off, and that's fine. You can put them in your gallery, because I may like a different picture than you. I just want what for my grading, to grade you, and it may be different from what you want to turn in. So you can turn yours in this way through your gallery. Then once you're ready, you click Publish, and your gallery is live on your site. All right, and then you can scroll through it this way. Actually, I did my arrows off the page. I should have put them inside, but just stay within those marks, and it'll help you. But it'll scroll through it. All right, so this ends the video on how to add a gallery to your Wix home page and website.